Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into suspicion. 13 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Presentiment, which means an intuitive feeling about the future, especially one of foreboding. Presentiment. For example, a presentiment of disaster. Number 2. Feeling, which means an idea or belief, especially a vague or irrational one. Feeling. For example, I had a feeling that I would win. Number 3. Intuition, which means a thing that one knows or considers likely from instinctive feeling rather than conscious reasoning. Intuition. For example, this confirms an intuition I had. Number 4. Premonition, which means a strong feeling that something is about to happen, especially something unpleasant. Premonition. For example, he had a premonition of imminent disaster. Number 5. Hunch, which means a feeling or guess based on intuition rather than fact. Hunch. For example, my hunch is that these may not be the end of the changes. Number 6. Impression, which means an idea, feeling, or opinion about something or someone, especially one formed without conscious thought or on the basis of little evidence. Impression. For example, he got the impression that she was hiding something. Number 7. Theory, which means a supposition or a system of ideas intended to explain something, especially one based on general principles independent of the thing to be explained. Theory. For example, the theory of quantum physics. Number 8. Conjecture, which means an opinion or conclusion formed on the basis of incomplete information. Conjecture. For example, conjectures about the newcomer were many and varied. Number 9. Fancy, which means an unfounded or tentative belief or idea. Fancy. For example, I've a fancy they want to be alone. Number 10. Inkling, which means a slight knowledge or suspicion. Inkling. For example, I had an inkling of what was going on. Number 11. Supposition, which means a belief held without proof or certain knowledge. Supposition. For example, They were working on the supposition that his death was murder. Number 12. Guess. Which means an estimate or conclusion formed by guessing. Guess. For example, my guess is that he is a receiver of stolen cars. Number 13. Notion. Which means a conception of or belief about something. Notion. For example, children have different notions about the roles of their parents. If you liked the video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for similar videos.